Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you had a great week and hope you're going to have a good weekend. Okay, today's Friday. We made it to day number 173 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And I just wanted to come back here with another video, show you guys nothing but value, show you guys nothing but results. All right. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year, guys. All right. So I'm back here with another video. If you want to get up to speed, go back and watch these previous videos that I put out, so you can kind of see where we started and then kind of where we're at right now. All right. We're on day number 173. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is it's an email platform that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 leads or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. Okay. So if you have multiple accounts, you're going to be getting 200 leads in those accounts. If you only have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. Now, if you have, like, say, for instance, you have two accounts, one of those accounts is going to have 200 leads, the other one is going to have 100. But once you get someone to either sign up underneath you, you'll get 200 in that second account, or if you sign up underneath yourself for a third account, you will get 200 in that second account. All right. So the whole idea here is you can stack these accounts to get multiple accounts. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, why I love them so much, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, which is really really cool. So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love this service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert, and the leads are real. Okay. Now, just excuse my voice here too, guys. I've had some allergy issues lately, so I'm kind of losing my voice, but I still feel great, guys. I'm back here with another video. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This is what the back office looks like. Like I said, I have 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes every single day to come in here and send these emails out. So it, doesn't take a lot of time at all. I like sending out my emails late at night. And you don't have to send them out at night. You can send them out early in the morning. I've tried in the morning, afternoon, at night, whatever. But I like sending out my emails at night. It just works better for me on my schedule. Okay. So there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is you're going to be able to promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here and go to the mailing system, create an email, use your affiliate link right here and insert that link into the email and then click send. Okay. Now, also another what you can do is go to affiliates, click on this promo tools here. You want to come down, and all of these emails right here are My Legion Secret emails. Okay. You can literally just grab one of these emails. Click right here to import it. What it's going to do is going to import this email. It's going to take it to the mailing system. All you got to do is click on the emails that you have in your back office. So that way you can get ready to send out those emails. Okay. And then as you can see, it loads up a subject line for you. So you don't have to come up with anything. And then also it loads your body of text right here. Okay. So if you scroll down right here, everything looks good. You have your affiliate link right here, which is a clickable link. You click on this perfect timing, and then you come down here and click on send now. Okay. Now I've already sent out my emails tonight. So I'm not going to be able to send out any more until tomorrow around the same time. So this email is going to go out, and then our prospects are going to click on this link. It's going to take them to our landing page. Our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So that's one way to make money with the mailing system is to promote My Legion Secret, okay, as a company. Okay. Now the other way is going to be using a network service, affiliate network, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. There's tons of different CPA networks that you can use as well. But those are going to be some of the more popular networks to use. Now, for the sake of this video, we are using ClickBank, and the reason why is because the offers on ClickBank respond, very well. The My Legion secret traffic, they respond very well to those ClickBank offers. That's why we're using ClickBank. If you go to clickbank.com, create a free account, you can go to the marketplace, and they have a section called e-business e-marketing, which is the make money online niche. So what we could do is we could grab offers out of that, and we could send them to this traffic. Okay. So that's kind of what we're doing. Those are going to be the two popular ways to make money with the mailing system. Okay, there's going to be three ways to send out an email. Number one is you can just create an email. Okay, if you're good at creating ad copy, you can literally create an email, grab the affiliate link from the offer that you're promoting, send that email out with your affiliate link and earn a commission that way and get results. Two is you can use an email AI service or chat GPT. Literally, you can go and just have it create you an email that's related to the offer that you're promoting. Okay. The third way to send that email out is to use the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. So you can literally take one of those offers on ClickBank. There's about four different programs that you can use, four different offers, and each one of those offers come with free email swipes that are already known to convert. Okay, they've already been tested, and they work. They work really good. Okay, and I use them, and I've been using them for a few years now. So I can tell you that, just sending out one of those emails, okay, it's gonna work for you. Okay. Now, let me just show you one of the emails and what it would look like if you were to send out one of those emails. Okay. Excuse me. So, this is one of the emails and what it would look like. As you can see, it has a subject line right here at the top, and then the body of text right here. And then you also have these clickable links that you can use. And these links, they go to your affiliate page. Okay. So this is what an email would look like. Okay, so you can just copy and paste these over and just keep doing that over and over and over again. Okay, it's just super easy to do. And I would recommend you guys getting started with the program. Okay, now you don't have to go out and run out and get multiple accounts. I would at least start with I would at least start with at least three, 1 to 3 accounts. I really wouldn't do one because it's going to take you forever to kind of get to where you want to be. But I will at least start out at 3. The sweet spot is going to be 5. Okay, 5 different accounts. You can send out, lots of emails in those accounts, and you can hit the ground running a little bit faster. Okay, as if you didn't have, those accounts. Okay. So that's what I would recommend, guys. That's how you send out an email. If you guys go back and watch these previous videos in the beginning, I kind of go in a little bit more detail on how to send those emails out. Okay. So I did send out my emails last night. Let's go and go over here to ClickBank right here. Okay, clickbank.com is a affiliate network that I've been with over a century now, guys. I can tell you that this company is awesome, guys. I mean, I've been getting paid from ClickBank for a very long time. But right now with this method, guys, I've been getting paid every single Friday. Okay, I got paid today. Okay, so every single Friday, if you come in and send out these emails, what's going to happen is you're going to start making sales, and you're going to make sales, and they're going to pay you for those every Friday on ClickBank. Okay. So today is the 17th, as you can see right here. What I like doing is the last 30 days, so you can kind of see the algorithm of everything and what everything looks like. All right. So as you can see, the algorithm has been pretty consistent. We got sales back to back. Okay, we missed a couple few days here. Got sales here and then missed today and then get them back to back. Okay, so as you can see, the sales have been pretty consistent. We may have missed a couple days right here, came back and got a sale back to back. Missed today, back to back, missed today, back to back, and then we missed a couple days. Okay, now tomorrow I'm sure that, there's going to be a sale coming in based on this algorithm and what this looks like. Okay. This is why I like showing the last 30 days so you can kind of see the algorithm. Now, as the sales get closer and closer, we'll do daily sales because we will be transitioning to getting the sale every single day. So I just wanted to show you guys this and what this looks like. That if done correctly, you will start getting these same exact sales, guys. But you have to come in every single day and send out your emails. Okay, that's very, very important. So I just wanted to show you my back office. Like I said, you can go to clickbank.com. It takes about 5 minutes to get signed up, and then you can start using those offers right away. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the results here. These are the results from the last 30 days, guys. We've been getting sales every day, every other day, or every a couple of days. Okay, but majority we just been getting sales consistently, guys. So it's pretty cool. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys some results. I sent out my emails tonight already. So we're going to meet back up here tomorrow and we'll go over those results as well. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and get started, I did leave a link below this video. So if you come down here below this video, just go ahead and click on this MLGS True Freedom link. It's going to take you over to the landing page of the mileage and secret system. And then if you come down here, guys, just look at some of these testimonials, okay? There's a lot of testimonials, guys. There's other people. I'm not the only one earning income with this program. Okay, there's other people doing it. All right, so look at these, and this is just promoting the mileage and secret. This is not promoting an affiliate network. This is just people making money just from promoting mileage and secret. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what this looks like. This right here is it looks like a Warrior Plus snapshot. So you're seeing another program other than Mileage and Seeker, but this looks like Warrior Plus commissions. Okay, so this just lets you know that this works across other platforms. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Go ahead and click on Join MLGS now. Okay, pay your $60 fee, $30 a month to keep the service, guys. It's just a no-brainer on this, guys. So I would recommend you guys getting started right away. There's no reason to waste any more time. Like I said, I've been doing this for a few years. You could take my word for it, okay? So I wanted to make this video short because I am losing my voice a little bit. So I don't want to, keep you guys any longer than I have to. But I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to send out an email in the mailing system. And then also I wanted to show you the results from what we've been doing. Okay. We've been earning consistent sales, guys. Come back here tomorrow. That way you can see if a sale comes through tomorrow or not. But stick with me, guys. Also, subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Comment below. Okay, if you got any type of questions or comments. Okay, I would love to hear from you. So I will come back here tomorrow, and I'll meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.